In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fine-tune animation timing in Canva to create smooth and professional-looking presentations. Let's dive into the process to make your design stand out with eye-catching animations. First things first, open your Canva document. This is the starting point for all your design needs. If you're new to Canva, you'll find that it's a versatile platform that can handle a wide range of creative projects, from presentations and social media graphics to posters and beyond. Opening your document is as simple as navigating to the Canva website and selecting your desired project. Now that you have your document open, let's move on to adjusting the animation timing. Animations can add a dynamic touch to your designs, making them more engaging for your audience. In Canva, to adjust animation timing, you'll want to first click on your design element that you'd like to animate. Once selected, look for the Animate button. This button is easily accessible and should be prominently displayed when you've clicked on the item. When you click Animate, a window will pop up on the left side of your screen. This panel will be your main tool for controlling the various aspects of the animation you've chosen. You'll see a list of animations that Canva offers, and if you've already applied one, it should be highlighted for you. Now with the animation panel open, you have control over several key aspects of your animation. You can adjust the speed, which determines how quickly the animation plays. Whether you'd prefer a fast-paced motion or a slower, more deliberate effect, this slider is where you'll make that change. You can also modify the intensity, defining how bold or subtle the animation feels. Intensity is a great way to ensure that the animation fits the overall mood and style of your document, providing either a gentle enhancement or a striking effect. Furthermore, Canva allows you to decide when the animation will occur during your presentation. You have the option to animate both when your element enters and exits the screen, or you can choose to have the animation occur only upon entry or only upon exit. This flexibility can be used to create a seamless flow in your visual storytelling. Finally, you've fine-tuned your animation to your satisfaction. You've adjusted the speed and intensity, and you've chosen the perfect timing to match the pace and vitality of your overall presentation. With these adjustments, your design is now more dynamic and primed to capture the attention of your audience. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully customized your animation in Canva, enhancing your document with movement that is sure to impress. If you have any further queries, Canva's help section is always available to explore more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!